Hi, I'm JT Shrewsbury.
Welcome to Scursive. My name is Madeira.
All right, folks, we got cleaned up and changed. It's almost 11 a.m. That's the dinner bell. I don't know if it's a mockingbird. I'm not a bird specialist or not. Sounds like a mockingbird. All right, what I was saying was we're hungry. We're gonna go get some food. It's quarter to 11-ish, somewhere around there. Most places open at 11. We're hungry. We haven't eaten since 11 o'clock yesterday. It's the last day I was contemplating doing that jelly donut burger. But, man, that's a lot of sugar. It's a lot of garbage. I don't want it weighing me down. Just think of where I'll be tomorrow when that starts brewing. I'll be on a plane. That's not good. So, I think I'm going to stick to seafood. DeLosa's Authentic New York Pizzeria. Good, interesting pizza. They even have a bar in there. I decided to try this pizza joint. I'm just going to buy a slice just to taste it. It's supposed to be what put John's pass on the map. So you can buy it by the slice or by the full pie, however you want it. If you buy it by the slice, you just tell them what things you want on it, and they'll let you try it. Alright folks, I got my pizza here. Alright, it's warm. Cheers. It's hot. That's very hot. It's good. It's really good. It has a crispy, thin crust on it. I like the way it crunches. The sausage is delicious. Of course, it makes the pizza. I just need to let it cool off a bit because that burned my mouth. There we go. That is a really good pizza. I do love the crust on it. I can see why. It's got its own unique flavor. So you really can't compare it to any other pizza. You know, I grew up on LaRosa's, so of course, you know, I always tend to lean towards their pizzas. That doesn't mean I don't like any other pizza. It just means I usually tend to lean towards them and get their pizza. But this is a really good pizza. I would definitely 100% get this again. I do recommend it. Okay, there's a little ice cream store here. I think I may have said something earlier about it. Maybe not. I just want to show you. Look in there, folks. Can you see what he's doing? He's actually making the waffle cones. So you get your ice cream here, and you get a waffle cone. You get a fresh waffle cone. I think I said he, but I meant she. Hi. Looks delicious. It's like a regular waffle maker, but probably better. Because this one's going to come with ice cream filling. See some she's made already down there. Yeah, they have all different flavors: vanilla chocolate twist, orange sherbet, orange vanilla, strawberry, peanut butter with and chocolate twist. That sounds interesting. And a hot fudge sundae. Look at that. You see that? Watch her. Bam. Fresh waffle cone. Sea Turtle Bungalows, Johns Pass, Madeira Beach, Florida. Okay. I don't know if you can see this, but we're down there's the entrance, or like I guess call it the main entrance of Johns Pass. Okay. We're kind of behind the strip here, going down to this dead end road. Look at these little bungalows, people. You can rent these. I mean, this would be your, they're like little, well, they're bungalows. You know, that's where you would stay for the week. You know, a little apartment. You know, they've got things to do. I can't see everything in there, but looks like they got a sitting area. You know, you got some cornhole going on there. Connect 4. Kinds of games. Yeah, you can rent these. You know, that's be your apartment for the week. Pretty neat. Still seems kind of quiet out here. Kind of away from the hustle and bustle of Johns Pass. You don't have to do anything. You just stagger out. Now, if you want to go to the beach, you got a little drive. You can drive or you can walk. It's not a far walk from here. But they've got parking everywhere for beaches. You just pick the beach you want to go to and find a parking spot. Pay for it. Simple. And there's more places. I don't know if you see the second story of the, I guess the red-faced building. It's the outer part isn't. The inner red is, the outer is a different color. I don't know what you'd call that. But those are apartments too, or hotels, motel rooms, I don't know. They're rooms you can rent. Just checking things out, trying to see things we didn't see before here on our last day of this adventure. Folks, if you enjoyed these videos, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, ring the bell so you get notifications, and share these videos with your friends so they can take a look at it too. I'd really appreciate it. Alright folks, we're back at Mad Bug Beach for a rest stop. We got Vincent over here, Vince in the background, slinging drinks. Maddox is, I don't know where he is. He's the bar back, he's back there somewhere. I don't know where he is. This is right here. And we got the edge seat this time, so we'll show you where we are. Turn this around. We're right here on the edge. Right on the boardwalk, or whatever you want to call it, strip. Just chilling. There's music playing in the background, so I have to be careful because there's rules about that. I think as long as I'm talking, I'm okay. But if you let so many seconds go by without just the song itself, YouTube does something to your video. So I want to make sure that doesn't happen. So if you see the video get a little choppy, you know, it's because I'm cutting stuff out, or maybe I'll turn down the volume and back up. I'm not sure what I'll do yet, but that's the reason why. Hurricane. Thank you. They call me Hurricane. Friends over here. Alright folks, it's time for a cigar. I can't read that. It's from Cuba Paradise. See that or not? New generation. Last day. sit here in the bar, smoke a cigar. And then I've got a lighter that I bought. I bought 2 of those lighters. I gotta leave them here because you can't take those on planes. They're the torched kind. And you can't take the torched butane on planes in your checked or in your carry-on luggage. Just regular Bics or matches. So what do you think about our last day?
I'm glad we stayed to see this to the last day.
Me too, yeah.
I'm sore as hell.
Yeah? Why is that?
I feel like I rode a horse.
Felt like you rode a horse?
I was squeezing with my thighs. These muscles right here.
Oh yeah? Did your hands ever get numb? My hands were numb a couple times. But I had to, there was some parts where I couldn't, things I did last time I rode it that I didn't do this time. It was just because of the way my knees were working. My knees weren't working the same way. I guess because of arthritis or whatever. And I'm just trying to get used to it. But
once I knew where to put my feet up here and hang on like that.
yeah. You could have put your feet in the back too and rode wheelies. I guess that's not a wheelie, I guess, in an ocean or on a sea-doo. But yeah.
I was airborne most of the time.
I hope I got the video. We'll see. We'll see.
I hope
looks
you
like
got that last wave I took.
maybe. I tried to get as much of you as I could because you're going nuts.
If I didn't gun it on that last wave, it'd have taken me over. Knocked me off.
See, I didn't know that. In the video, you hear me saying, look at Susan over there playing a damn surf. She's a champ. She ain't afraid of nothing.
If I didn't gun it, I was going over. Yeah, for never being on one, I had a blast.
Yeah, me too. That was great.
I'm sure you could tell I was having fun.
Oh yeah, I could tell. You were definitely braver than I, and I just saw you over there whizzing. I'm like, holy shit. She's already got her water legs. I better step it up a notch. Yeah, that was fun.
I'll wear the GoPro next time.
Yeah, we should have put the GoPro on Susan. She was the one taking all the risks and doing all the tricks. Need a helmet cam.
I definitely had a good time.
You too. Okay guys, we're gonna try this one. It's the Remy XO Excellent. There it is right there. It's 50 bucks a shot. That's at Mad Pub Beach. We got our friend here, Ty, gonna pour a shot for us. And there it is.
If you're into really good brandies, we also carry the whole Davidoff line.
Okay. All right. All right, so 50 bucks a shot for the Remy XO Excellent. Cheers. This one's for everybody that's been watching through the past few days. Thank you. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Help me pay for this shot. Delicious. Oh my gosh, it is good. Crap. That is awesome. Yeah. Like and subscribe and share these videos with your friends. Thank you. I appreciate it. Looks like some weather coming in, folks. We're still at Mad Pub. We've been here for a little while. We're starting to speak in Scursive. Maddox. Peace. Best bar back in Florida. Okay, so I recorded you doing the sweet tips the other day, and you're like, okay, yeah, I'm sick of doing the sweet tips.
Yeah.
But the other guy that was doing it, he's always doing it. Now you said he's Cuban.
Yeah, he's Cuban.
He's definitely Cuban.
Yeah, he's Cuban.
What I typically tell people when I buy these cigars, I say they're delicious. They're great cigars. They're not Cuban cigars.
but they're hand rolled
Cuban
by
seed,
Cubans.
owned by a Cuban couple, and all of our rollers are Cuban as well. So it's about as close to a Cuban cigar as you can get, honestly.
And that's what I
Legally,
that's what
but
I was
yeah,
wanting.
everything's
That's what I was
Done by
wanting.
Cubans.
That's what I was wanting to know. Yes, that's awesome. Thank you. Thanks. Appreciate it. All right, folks. We spent some time at the bar. We didn't record all of it, but I'll tell you what, we had a lot of great people. I'm speaking in Scursive. Hey folks, we're back in Cincinnati. We just landed. Trip's over. I want to thank everybody for watching us. We really appreciate it. If you have any
Ready to get home to the puppies.
We are ready to get home to the puppies. But I want to thank you for watching. I'm JT Shrewsbury.
I'm Susan.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.